Hi everyone, my name is Shantam. Today I tell you how to create a start menu in Unity. So first we create a UI object panel, and in panel we create a UI object button and name this button is start button, and also change its text name which is start, and change its font size into 20 and scale the button to large and shift to up, and then change the color of the panel. You see that here I import an image, and in image we change the texture type to sprite 2D and UI, and then we go to panel and add the background image to source image. You all can see that the background of the panel is changed. Then we create a copy of a start button and name it option, and also change its text name options, and we create one more copy of option button and name it quit, and also change its text name to quit, and change its position to down. Change the position of a button to down, not text. So all you can see that here we create a start menu. You all can see that. So then we create another scene, new scene, and name new scene as a game scene. Here we create a object UI sprite, and in panel we create a UI text, and in text we write the game is, and we change the font size to 20 and change its color to dark black, and change the color of a panel and change the size of the text. So you can see that we make another scene, and here we create a panel and test and write the game is. We save it and we go to our sample scene. In sample scene we go to canvas, panel, and in panel we create a empty object, and this empty object name start menu, and all of these button is shifted to start menu. We create another copy of start menu and name it option menu. In option menu we delete the button start. First we invisible the start menu, then in option menu option button take the text of the option into option menu, and delete the option button, and quit button change the name of quit button into back button, and also its text name back button. And this text name is option, and also change its text name option and color it dark black and shift it to up and scale it large. So then we invisible our start menu. So now we can give the functionality to these buttons. So first of all, we go to start button. Here you can all see that we make a script of start quit. In start quit script, we only import a scene management library, and we make two different functions, public void start and public void quit. In public void start, we give a scene manager.load scene to game scene. We create a new scene is game scene. We give the functionality to start, and in quit function, we only debug a log only quit, which is in our console of Unity. So we save it and go to our Unity. We give it is appearing. We apply this script to the startup menu, and we go to start button and plus and give the reference of start menu and function start, and go to start quit script and start function, apply on it and save it, and go to quit button and add and give reference to start menu again and function, where we go to start quit and give reference to quit. Then we go to file and go to build setting, and here we give the reference of sample theme first, which is at 0 position, and then game scene, which is to 1, and save it and cancel it. So all you can see that we give the functionality to start and op quit button. Then we give the functionality to option button. Then we go to option button, and in option button we add some functionality and give the reference of optional menu and function, game object, and set active true, and add one more functionality. Give the reference of, this time we give the reference of startup menu and function, game object, set active, and this time it is false. So we give the functionality to option button. Then we save it. Then we give functionality to game scene. No game scene. We give functionality to first we invisible the start menu, invisible the option menu. We give the functionality to quit button. You go to the back button and change the name of the text. It is back, and give them functionality. Add and give the reference of start menu, function, game object, true, and add one more functionality, which is for option menu, and give the functionality of option menu and game object, and set build active false. So you all can see that we make give the functionality to option menu and save it back button. Then we invisible the option menu and visible the start menu. So we make a try and see what happens. What is this option? Wait a second. Option menu. We invisible the all of option menu. Okay. So we go to the start button. The game is, you can all see that option menu is, start button is working true. Then we go to, again we start and see our option menu, option button is also working true. And here the button is also, back button is also working true. And we go to our quit button. Console quit. So all you can see that the all three buttons working correctly. So this is our code. This is our menu, how to create a menu for game.
So this is our tutorial for today, and ask questions. Feel free if you have any doubt or query related to this tutorial. We will get back to you shortly with a new tutorial. Thank you guys.